I have a client who's in her late 50s. She came to us with loss of sensation in one of her arms and her hands. So she actually was unable to move her arm. She's been diagnosed with some fairly significant health issues, and the health issues have been causing the loss of mobility in her arm. So she hasn't been able to hold a steering wheel or lift her arm at all. So she had approximately 12 sessions, and her symptoms actually got worse to start with. So she was more uncomfortable, had kind of an increased like a pins and needles sensation in her arm, but after about 16 sessions, she started to be able to lift her arm a little bit more. After 24 sessions, then she was able to lift her arm at like more intervals. So she would come to us after the session, she'd be able to lift her arm. She was then, after further sessions, she was able to gain some sensation in her hand and able to, her grasp, she was able to grasp the steering wheel again. So that was something that was really significant for her. I remember her coming in saying, "Makayla, you won't believe it, but I actually drove for an hour today and I was able to hold on to the steering wheel." So she's continued care with us. You know, she'd definitely be at least in her sessions, at least in the 50s now. And her mobility has stayed, so she's able to lift her arm right up here now, which for her, after not being able to do that for at least 12 months, is, you know, incredible. And now she's able to drive a couple of hours holding onto a steering wheel, and is, you know, in her everyday life is able to increase functionality. Do we know what's happening with her diagnosis? No, but we're really excited for her because she's, you know, she's had all these improvements in her sensation, and it's really improved her quality of life. So we're really excited for her.